This is a Ferguson. We're going to call it a weld positioner, but I don't know if that's necessarily what it is. The model number is ED90-8-300R. That's the transmission unit, I would say. And it's got this DC motor, 90 volt or 90 volt 3 amps, guessing. Sure. Then we have a Danfoss circuit-controlled C2000. This is the speed controller. So it's really a turntable, I guess. But here, I'll let you see it run. I'm having a little bit of a... There it goes. So, as you can see, like, this is spinning, but then this stops for a second. So, I don't know if that's supposed to do that or not, but that's what it's doing. That's as fast as it goes. Yeah. Could be maybe the oil level's a little low. Not really sure what's going on with it. But you can also hit stop and then... But that does the same thing. Every once in a while it'll... See that? So... But you can see, like, this thing is, this gear on the front spins constantly, and that doesn't do what this does, so I don't know. Could be the way it was set up to work. But that's what it is. It's quite heavy. I say it's about 120, maybe 110 pounds. And that's the unit. If you got any questions, concerns, let me zoom in on this thing. Let you see the tag. And that's it. Thank you.